Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into DeepSeek, the Chinese AI that's not just impressing experts but also making a huge impact on the stock market. Stick around as we uncover how this AI is shaking up tech and changing the game. DeepSeek, a name you might have heard a lot in the tech world. But what makes this Chinese AI so special and why is it causing such a big reaction? Released just a few days ago on January 20th, 2025, DeepSeek has already become very popular. It's topping the charts in Apple's App Store and quickly becoming the go-to free AI chatbot, similar to ChatGPT, but with some impressive features. What makes DeepSeek stand out, and how has it captured the world's attention so quickly? DeepSeek, created by a Chinese startup, is impressing AI experts all over the world. It's set to perform just as well as OpenAI's powerful O1 model, handling tasks like coding, math, and problem solving with ease. Is DeepSeek really as powerful as it claims to be? And it's not just tech fans who are noticing. DeepSeek's release has even upset the stock market. Nvidia, the big chip maker, lost almost $600 billion in one day. Why? Because DeepSeek uses cheaper hardware and fewer advanced chips than its competitors. How will this affect the chip industry and the future of AI hardware? This raises bigger questions about who leads in global tech. While the US has worked to stop China from getting advanced chips, China's President Xi Jinping has made it clear that AI is a top priority. Startups like DeepSeek are helping China move ahead in tech, not just in AI, but also in electric cars and new chips. Could this mark a shift in global tech power or not? The US President Donald Trump called DeepSeek's rise a wake up call for American companies, saying they need to focus and step up if they want to compete in this new global tech race. Why does this mean for the US tech industry moving forward? So, why does DeepSeek matter? It's not just about creating a great chatbot. It's a sign of a new wave of innovation from China, and it could change the global race for AI. Will DeepSeek be the start of China's domination in AI? DeepSeek's launch might mark the start of a new era with its new technology, lower cost, and powerful performance. It's easy to see why the world is talking about it. Could this be the beginning of a new AI revolution? Keep an eye on DeepSeek. It's more than just an app. It's a wake-up call for the tech world. The competition is heating up and AI's future is here. Will DeepSeek be the future of AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. See you next time. Thanks for watching.